Welcome back. Some April Fool's jokes are harmless, but others can cost you big bucks. So in today's Money Monday conversation, we are making sure we don't get fooled by interest.
So joining us for a tutorial on what we need to know is Brock Hamula, Director of Financial Centers for Clearview Federal Credit Union. Thank you so much for joining us. And Brock, let's start at the beginning. You know, people might not think this is interesting. It's really interesting when you think about how you can make your money work for you with interest, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. You know, I really think of interest as the cost of doing business. So if I'm going to be the borrower, I don't expect the financial center just to hand me $10,000. They're going to want it paid back with a premium. So, you know, that's the cost for me if you're doing business. Where on the other hand, for the financial centers, if they want me to invest with them, they're going to have to pay me a premium as well. And I expect an interest rate on the money that I'm investing with them.
Well, when it comes to interest rates, I mean, in my personal experience, those things, they can add up pretty quickly, especially in today's age.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
So there's two different things that we need to talk about, just interest and then compounding interest, which is what people will find in a lot of accounts, right?
Correct. So when you think of simple interest, think of simple interest on your borrowings. So your personal loans, your auto loans, your home loans. And it's simply that. It's an interest rate on the outstanding principal balance.
Right.
So every month when you make your payment, more will go to principal, less will go to interest. When you think of compounding on your investment products or your savings products. This is really where you can start making some money because you're actually earning interest not only on what you're investing, but also on the interest that you're earning.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So, I mean, just to give you an example, if I would take out a $20,000 certificate paying 5% and it compounds monthly, at the end of that first month, I will have earned approximately $83. Well, next month, I'm going to be earning 5% on $20,083.
Yeah.
So your money will continue to grow.
Growing.
Absolutely.
All right, so say you have some outstanding debts like mortgage and credit cards. What are some ways to pay that interest off quicker?
Okay. Well, first of all, you need to understand the difference between needs and wants.
Okay.
There's a lot of things that I want, but I don't necessarily need. Exactly. You know, I want a new walk-in shower, but I don't want $18,000 worth of debt.
Yeah.
So, you know, understanding the needs and the wants. Next, I would shop around, take advantage of any specials the financial centers are offering. A lot of times you'll get a better interest rate on your deposit products based on your relationship. You can get a lower interest rate on loans if you have auto debit. And 1/4% can not only save hundreds, but thousands over the course of a loan. So next, get rid of those high interest credit cards. A lot of people want to pay their mortgage off right away, but mortgage rates are typically between 3 and 7% right now. Credit cards can be upwards of 25%, so get rid of those.
Yeah.
Next I would say, you know, pay extra on principal. If your monthly payment is $200, in your mind, think of it as $220 and put that extra $20 towards principal to really get it paid off. And finally, go to clearviewfcu.org and take advantage of our interest calculators. We have calculators out there that can save you money on your loans as well as make you additional money on your investments.
I love that tip. Paying an extra $20 instead of
No,
going
it
to
can make a
Starbucks.
difference because otherwise you're giving money away, essentially.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It really does make a difference.
All right, Brock, I have like 10 more questions for you off camera. Thank you. We appreciate you being here and talking about interest. You held our interest on interest.
You did.
Yes.
Oh, I like that.
I like that. Thank you.
All right, remember you can catch a Money Monday conversation presented by Clearview Federal Credit Union on the first Monday of every month.